let's talk about because it says in your bio you were recognized as a Forbes 30 under 30. I think that's super dope. Congratulations. I think that's
Right.
commendable.
Thanks.
How did that feel? How did that come about?
What does that
And
look like?
right. I mean, I can't get it now. I'm 38, but maybe I could get 440
I just turned
something out
36.
of
I got 4 years. Bro. That's what happened.
right.
Yeah.
I think that's super dope.
Thanks. Yeah. It was funny. So the beginning of 2022, I wrote down like 3 big goals in my journal, and I probably have it like right here somewhere. You probably can see it. Let's see if it's this one. And I journal every morning. So this is
Oh,
like
that's dope.
one of my, let's see if you guys can see it. Can you read it?
Oh, is that a bullet journal? I got one of those.
Bro, why
Yeah.
your handwriting so perfect?
I got a
Yeah.
bullet
So
journal.
That
these
shit
are
look
my goals I
amazing.
wrote down in the
Yeah, mine's
beginning of
just trash.
January
You can't read
2022.
mine.
Mine over there too. I got some.
Yeah.
Y'all ain't
And
stunning on me.
it says, I am going to be
Oh,
Forbes 30
wow.
under 30. I am going to raise 1 million from VCs, and I'm going to reach $1 million run rate. Isn't that
Wow. And you
hilarious?
did all of those.
I did. Well, not the third one I didn't do,
Oh,
but
okay.
I did 2.
Good
I
for you.
did 2 out of 3, which
That's
is
dope.
awesome. Yeah.
Do you have to apply for that or something? Talk more about
You have to
that.
get nominated.
Nominated. All right.
Yeah.
Oh,
So you have to get nominated by someone else that's gotten it like in the past, and they have to vouch for you basically. And then it goes through like some screening committee or whatever, because it's like thousands of people get nominated, and then they choose who gets it. Yeah, it's cool. It was a really amazing accomplishment. I'm really proud of myself. Probably the first time I've been super proud of myself.
that's
Tell me
dope.
I need better friends, Frank.
We working
And
on
you
that.
better.
That's why we talking to her now. We were
Oh, I got it. I got it. I
networking.
got it.
This is the purpose of this podcast. We figuring shit out. We
You
finding
figured it
people
out,
that
yeah.
right. We
You
finding
have to
people that
ask.
figured it out.
Yeah,
Right. So now that
you
we
have to
know
ask.
one, like I said, we're not 30, right? We blew past 30. So
Yeah.
maybe there'll be
Is it like 30? Is it like 40? You get to like 40 or no? Or is that
probably not.
40 under
Probably
I
not.
40?
don't know. I don't
Uh,
know, but
uh,
the states, like I know there's like time 40 under 40 or something like that, or 50 under
Mm,
50,
well, I
and
mean, we still 30.
there's a
I'm in my
bunch.
30s. We still
Yeah,
in our
there's a bunch
30s,
of
King.
others. There's a
Yeah.
bunch of others. There's like Cranes is another one. Cranes something. I
I
don't know
never
what
thought
that.
Okay.
about getting on any of those, dog. I always
Yeah.
thought about just
So
making
this
money and making a decent business. Go ahead.
what you gotta do is write it in the book like she did. Write it in the book.
Oh,
Yeah, you didn't do that. That's why you didn't get it yet.